Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 3090 laser. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 3090 laser isn't moving properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to wear and tear on the wheels or perhaps debris that has become lodged. Ignoring this problem can lead to more serious damage over time, potentially affecting the device's motors or other components. To get started on this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement wheel, tweezers, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure your device is switched off and unplugged. Carefully turn the Conga 3090 laser upside down to access the screws. Using the appropriate screwdriver, remove the screws securing the bottom cover. Take your time with this step to avoid stripping the screws. Once the cover is off, visually inspect the wheels. You're looking for any signs of damage or obstruction. If you spot a faulty wheel, gently lift it out using the tweezers, taking care not to disturb any nearby components. When you have the old wheel out, place the new one in its position, ensuring it fits snugly. Be cautious with the screws, apply a gentle force when tightening to avoid damaging the threading. If you feel unsure at any point, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the new wheel, it's a good idea to clean the area with isopropyl alcohol to remove any dust or debris before replacing the bottom cover. Finally, reattach the cover and secure it with the screws. Once everything is back in place, flip the device upright and plug it into test. Ensure the wheels are moving smoothly and the device is functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the wheels for debris and clean them as needed. Additionally, store your Conga 3090 laser in a clean, dry environment to reduce the chances of dirt accumulation. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.